Vandeham Shri Guru.
Of course, the exalted devotees may chant and chant only. But if we make a show of trying to be like them, we'll make a farce. Haridas Thakur, Raghunath Das Goswami, they could simply chant and be absorbed in pure devotion and service. But the imitationists will not achieve the same result. There was some story that Jagannath Das Babaji was chanting so many rounds, sitting in a little hut, and in ecstasy. And some other person also decided that he would set up a little hut, and he would also chant, and he would also be in ecstasy, and he would also be honored the way Jagannath Das Babaji was. So it was simply a show. And Jagannath Das Babaji Maharaj commented that one can't give birth to a child simply by entering the labor room. The pregnant mother who enters the labor room will give birth to a child. Any other lady who enters the labor room will not get the same result simply by entering that room. So simply by making a show, one doesn't become Raghunath Das Goswami, Haridas Thakur.